Hey, Jay here, Vision Miner, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to grease the 22 IDEX. For the grease we're using today is the Krytox GPR225. The reason we're using this grease is because it has a maximum operating temperature of 400 Fahrenheit. So this is great for the 22 IDEX. You can get this at your local store. We got this on Amazon Market, very easy to find. For this next step, we'll be cleaning off the grease on the lead screw. Get yourself some glove, it gets a little messy. Grab some IPA, grab some towel, spray some on there. Okay, and then spray some on around the lead screws. Get all the grease off. Okay, and then you can use a jogger to go up and down. You see how it's all shiny there? It's nice and clean. You can go the other way. With your gloves on, get some of the grease. Just use your finger and just rub them on the lead screws. Get a good amount on there. Don't be shy. Okay, and do the same thing on the bottom. Now that you have grease on there, you can do the same thing by jogging the Z up and down. Give it a couple times. Do the same thing down here. For the next step, we're going to be greasing the crossbar over here, the X rail, the linear rail. Same thing as before, Krytox GPR225. Put a little bit on your finger, and then just go ahead and put it on there. Both front and back side. I mean, you can even do this and get them in those tight space. There you go. And on the back. Okay, and then you can do the same thing here as a Z. You can use a jogger to move your extruder left and right. Like that. Okay. Okay, and for the left head, same thing. Okay, all done. And that's how you grease the 22 IDEX 3D printers.